What's going on, you guys? Today's another pretty chilly day here in Calgary. So yesterday I took out all the benches. That one's just sitting there because I can rest on it. But I took out all the other benches. Those are there because somebody's coming to pick them up later today. And so what I was saying, I took out all the benches, and right now I need to take out this plastic flooring, and then also underneath that plastic flooring there's wood. So you can see there's just like plywood that's rotten and all that stuff. So I gotta take this thing off and then take the plywood out, seal the floors. Some of the tools you'll need for the wood is some pry bars. I got one here, and there should be one somewhere else too. So just some pry bars, maybe a circular saw, just so you can cut the plywood sheets into smaller pieces. Follow along for the progress here, and I'll let you know once we're all done with this step. And I think we're still a long ways away from even thinking of going somewhere with it. So yeah, but let's hope this goes pretty quick, because I've seen some videos of other people doing it and it wasn't too pretty, so we'll see. I also have to remove this heater here and these hoses, so that might have to be removed exactly or directly from the engine, because I won't need that. I'll have a rooftop AC unit and maybe a furnace or electrical heating. I'm not sure what I'm doing yet. I just have the layout of the trailer, which I'll maybe reveal in another video, just to kind of give you guys an idea on what we're gonna do for the layout. So yeah, sweet. Here I am, about 15 minutes in of trying to remove the lino off the plywood. So it went really well. This thing just peels off very, very easy. The only concern I have is this plywood. Hopefully it will go as easy as the lino there. Otherwise, I'm gonna be in for a long ride. So basically this thing just peeled off in like huge chunks. So this whole side here, all the way up to the passenger or driver's side seat, it was like 15 minutes, and I was running back and forth to the garage, grabbing tools and stuff. So yeah. So another quick update, and things are looking really good. I'm so glad this thing's going so fast. So basically I took out most of that lino or rubber flooring that was in here, and then I saw a small piece of plywood which I gave a try lifting up, and there it is, a lot of rust. I'm gonna do some rust control after I pull everything out, and seal it all up and do the subfloor. So basically this plywood only had a few nails in it and it came out pretty easy. So yeah, hopefully the rest of it goes the same. We'll see. I'll give you more updates. Update number whatever, 2, 3, whatever. So I got most of the plywood out. You can see there's lots of rust. There was plywood laid flat right on top of this metal, and it basically created this very moist area, and that's why this metal rusted. So my plan would be do some rust control or Rust-Oleum check, whatever it's called. But you can see, let me show you here. Look at all that moisture. That's water. There's lots there, lots right there, here, here. You can see that's all wet. So once I do the rust check and everything, that's gonna hopefully save this metal floor. And also I'm gonna do a floating floor with proper insulation so we won't have this issue in the future. These benches are really in my way here. The guy said he's gonna come and pick them up pretty soon here, so waiting for that so I can take out the rest of the plywood so I don't move these every so often. I would have liked to clear bus, but I try to do a good thing, but sometimes that doesn't really work. So here we are. I'm waiting for them to come pick them up. I'll probably clean up this area here just so it's nice and ready for the rest of the plywood. I can see it's already drying up in some areas. You can see that corner there. It's getting really nice and dry, so I'm gonna Alright you guys, so we're done today, or we're done for today. We basically took out, let me show you. So we basically took out the rubber flooring. We took out the plywood that was underneath as well. Also we removed the heater core that went to the back of the bus and provided the heat. I removed the driver's seat just so I can get underneath and pull the heater core out and cut the hoses and drain all this coolant or whatever heating liquid is that for the heater core. So basically I'm gonna let the floor pretty much dry up for a day or two, and then I'll give it a good sanding, and then we'll do some sort of rust protection, and also we're gonna be doing a primer, and we're gonna do I'm gonna do a floating or whatever it's called, a subfloor, and start framing. So once we got everything framed, then we'll do the electrical. So those are gonna be a couple more videos, but basically here is the progress so far. So it looks pretty rusted in the back there, but toward the front of the bus, it's not that bad. So yeah, looks pretty good. Good progress so far, and I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching, and hopefully you like these videos. Like, share, subscribe. Yeah, thanks a lot and have a good day.